Hey guys, this is Nick from Dirt King Fabrication. I just wanted to show you guys this 2019 Chevy Silverado we just finished. It has Elka 2.5 coilovers in the front, 2.5 smooth bodies in the rear, and Dirt King Fabrication tubular upper control arms. This kit allows for 2 to 3 inches of lift in the front and allows you to run a 37-inch tire with trimming. Tires and wheels are 17-inch XD Grenade Desert beadlocks wrapped in 37 1250 17 Toyo Open Country RTs. For more information, check out dirtkingfabrication.com and also check us out on Instagram at Dirt King.